Wondering if your Cash App card works on Uber Eats? The answer is yes. Here's a step-by-step guide to link it and pay seamlessly. First of all, make sure you have a physical Cash App card. If you don't, request one through the Cash App. It usually arrives within a few days. Open the Uber Eats app and tap your account icon in the bottom right corner. Go to Wallet to manage payment methods. Tap Add Payment Method, credit or debit card. Enter your 16-digit Cash App card number, expiry date, CVV, and zip code carefully. Double check for accuracy, then tap Send, Save, or Add. Once linked, select your Cash App card at checkout. Payments process like any other card if sufficient funds are available. This works on both iPhone and Android. You can update or remove the card anytime via the wallet settings, and that's it. Your Cash App card is ready for seamless over its payments in 2025.